Alright, we're going to replace the headlight switch in this thing. We need to remove our tachometer, drop it down, and we need to remove this bezel here. Just pull violently, then the headlight switch. Here's why we're replacing it. And it's not doing it now, but you can tell when you wiggle this around, the lights flicker a little bit. Okay, we're going to start with the wiper switch. Yeah, I just used snips to undo that, and this will just push back. We can kind of gain access to it from the back. We were having issues a while ago with this switch being kind of funky. Haven't had too many issues with the wipers, but I see part of the wiring loom. There we go. It's unplugged, but it does have a ground wire attached to it. Alright, I gotta figure out where that ground wire is. Okay, they work. I got a few minutes of battery left, so I might have to put you on life support. The headlight switch nut is 11/16. Let's see if that even... Oh, I see. Yeah, this is a nut on a little stud, fitted stud. The nut actually doesn't come off the stud, just holds the housing in, so it's looking a little bit better, more promising, looking like this. So now, gotta push it out of there. Alright, I wrestled around with it. It's all goobered up, full of corrosion. What are you doing, Butler? We need to get this little rod out. A little button here. Push on it. Should let the rod come out. So there's our old one. We got our new one. Alright. New one's back together. Looks a lot better, huh? Battery's gonna die, so I'll put you on life support. Okay, before the battery dies, I got the switches in, old ones out. Just basically put the truck back together. Takes 5 minutes. Overall job's probably half hour. And everything's all working just perfect. Anyways, thanks for watching.